Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing Amazon nail wraps. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you. Also, I'm having a giveaway going on right now. I will link that down below if you're interested. I got this nail wrap set on Amazon. It comes with 29 different nail wraps. As you can see, they range in color and design. These nail wraps would be perfect to give your nails a rest from acrylic nails, but you would still have super cute nails. The set costs $15.99. I will link it in the description if you are interested. If you didn't know, nail wraps are basically a sticker for your nails, with cute designs and colors without the hassle of painting your nails. The things you will need to apply these are a double-sided nail file, a pair of scissors, and of course the nail wraps themselves. I decided on using these purple sparkly ones. My favorite color is purple, so this is perfect. I already cut my nails to the length I want off camera, so now they just need shaped. I'm going to start by filing my nails to get the shape that I want. Now I'm going to be taking that same file and I'm going to be running it over my whole nail to rough the nail up. This will help the wrap stick better to my real nails. Make sure to be careful. You do not want to do it too much and damage your real nail. Each set of nail wraps came packaged individually. I'm going to be opening the set I picked to use and get ready to apply them. There is also a protective film so the nail wraps do not get damaged. Each set of nail wraps came with 2 thumbnails and 2 pinky nails. Both are different sizes. I'm going to be holding it up to my thumb to see what size I need, and it looks like I'm going to use the smaller option. When applying the nail wrap, I want to make sure it is lined up straight before I stick it to my actual nail. When When I stick it to my real nail, I'm going to be making sure there is no bumps and the wrap is pressed smoothly on my nail. With the scissors, I'm going to be cutting as much of the extra nail wrap off as I can, and then I'm going to be pressing the rest that I didn't cut down over my real nail. And then I'm going to start filing the edge of my nail. The wraps are made to break apart easily after filing. Now I'm going to peel off the excess nail wrap. Now the nail wrap is formed and stuck to your nail. I'm going to be continuing all these steps to the rest of my nails. When you are filing the excess nail wrap off, you want to file to the shape of your nails. None of the nail wraps were too big to fit my fingernails, but if you have that problem, you can use the scissors and cut them down. As you guys can see, this nail wrap was a little bit too small for my nail, but there's nothing I can really do about that. Okay guys, I'm done with my nails and I really like how fast and easy this was to do. You can't really tell it's a sticker unless you look super close. Although I don't think the nail wraps are made to last for more than a couple of days, but they are perfect for fast nails or for a special occasion, and they have no harsh products to harm your real nails.